I would like you to be at 85% of your time prospecting and 15% of your time working your business, okay? 85% of your time working to create deals, 15% of your time working to find deals. How the hell do we do that? Well, when we only have 5 types of calls and one of them is prospecting, so that doesn't count. We only have 4 other types of calls that we need to make because getting their attention goes to your 85, and you can figure out how to spend your time effectively, either delivering an insight, call type number 1, that's not prospecting, okay? Because call type number 1 is getting people's attention. That's prospecting. That counts into the 85%. 15% of your time is spent delivering an insight, and this is all in the same call, understanding the prospect, and making a recommendation. Simple call to make, okay? Especially if you have, what research have you done on us, right? When you say you guys are looking for fuel cells for your road crews out there, can you give me a specific example, right? How are you dealing with the fact that those remote sites, when they run out of fuel, everybody's kind of at a standstill till we get a remote delivery there? You know what questions to ask, Natalie. You're skillful at that, right? The next type of call is the next step call, right? As promised, calling to see if it makes sense for us to get those fuel cells out, or calling to see if it makes sense for us to do adding freestanding fuel cells to your rental company, whatever your specific situation is in the next steps, okay? Calling to see if it makes sense to move forward, calling to see if it makes sense to add those. Calling to see if it makes sense to sign the agreement. And then the last type of call, making sure they have what they need. Hey, I sent over a PO. I wanted to make sure you had the PO so you can get that executed and we can get those fuel cells in the pipeline to all 7 of your rental locations. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. When we don't call people to see how's it going, or where our deal is at, or how their day's going, or to check in, or to follow up, we get all that time back. I would like you to spend all of that time calling to get people's attention. Because if we can spend 85% of our time, and if you're like, well, crap, I just got myself a long day because my company provides me with leads. Congratulations. You figure out how to generate your own leads and take the ones that your company provides you, okay? I will be asking you to borrow money because you are going to absolutely crush it and kill it. You should always, everybody that works in sales, whether they get leads on their own or not, should be able to feed themselves. Otherwise, you are one of those white tigers that Siegfried and Roy has. I think one of them ripped his face off, so that's probably not a great example, that can't feed themselves in the wild. You're not that type of tiger. You're the type of tiger that can feed themselves in the wild, and if they want to throw you a steak or two, you'll eat that as well, right? So we got to spend 85% of our time hunting. 5% of our time, 15% of our time eating. When we can do that, we'll eat a lot more. Make sense? If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.